Alright, children, today we will study polynomials. Now, we have done normal arithmetic in the previous class. There was ratio and proportion and the compound interest. Today we'll study polynomials. Now, what exactly is a polynomial? Before we do that, this polynomials is under the section of your algebra. Algebra. What is algebra? Algebra it comes from the Greek, the Arabic word al-jabar, something like that. Okay. When you don't know a particular quantities and you want to express in terms of x and y, then algebra comes. Mizo dong soi mayang thread thiam ol sam nan intianan man lai mathematician de kha no boy thin ni intianan a pulle cheng thum ka bela cheng so ma chok ti lom ta ni. I don't know whether this is a good no then a pulle khalo ja tela plus 3 I got 8 pare daro chota ni then a pull ki exam nge diga chu da ngai ta ni thiam daro ani lo pon thil lang lo kal le ta banana zo te tang. It doesn't look like banana kha patni ka belta inge lo chuak ti na chuak ta ni banana pa de exam nge lut nge ti kha exam mang nge ti kha ni chu chuak the don ta ni hengi algebra lo chua dan atira lo chua dan chu ni thil lang pa kan so liang te to zo se toila a pul pathum ka ne ya 3a di tiang chuan banana panga ka ne ya orange pasari ka ne boka exam bel chuak kha zo na rom the da ni tian en chiang ta la a bel the mi lo ni a pul pathum le banana panga kha bel ngai nom lo ti khan apple pathum le banana panga chu apple pathum le banana panga ni mei ti boy orange ka pasar rom ma se 3 plus 5 plus 7 kam 3 le 5 le 7 is that 12 15 ka chok chu lo re ren he ta tang hian kalai ka phe thiam to he hi ani top me to ba kha a chan na kha chu algebra lo chua dan ta hetia alem kal zia zel dong na boy thla tu ga chu wa chuan apple plus 3 dia khan x plus 3 dia ka ron mang ta ni is all the a may x equal to 8 minus 3 if you had kha so 5 lo chuak banana pa equal to 10 dia ka chuan alem ji I jon x mang le ta me la x plus x equal to 10 kan dia 2x equal to 10 kan dia x equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 ti khan zo le dia ta ni ti khana all sum te e ma kha algebra a origin alo chua da tak tak chu ne ta ni le class 9 a chua class 10 a khar ka zero nual to class class 8 a khar ka zero nual to class 10 a here class 9 a here nge kan zero tur kha lo en tela polynomials ti being kan zero don ta. Now what exactly is a polynomial? Let me type again. Want to see bigger? Okay. Polynomial jo tiang hi ni. Polynomial. Okay, you take this out as your note. A polynomial is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression ya. Mas algebraic expression is also a polynomial ni lem lo. A polynomial is an algebraic expression with a non-zero integral power. Thế rồi phải tiếng. Om dễ chú 3x square plus 5 hi hi polynomial ani achan chu he a power x power 2 de hi 0 ni lova integer ni bok thil dang le sele de la a di hian sei jok te la adang le 3y plus 2 he poi polynomial ni achan chu y power 1 ania 0 ni lova integer ni bok integral power ngoro la hi polynomial in algebra expression with a non-zero non-negative detail non-negative integral power adang le sele de la polynomial ni lova sele thung tong 3 by x plus 5 hi kan em jen chon class in je to 3 by x tiom je hi 3x to the power minus 1 in ani x ka hoi la bom ta a chung la ma lo cho chual a por ka minus 1 do ta hian chu khat en chen chon hi minus 1 hi hi a negative tatlat me ni it's negative a power ka negative tatlat so this is not polynomial adang so lian pakhat le 3 root x plus 7 hini ta se he thil ka en equal to no arrow man to he thil hi x root over x hi om je chu algebra da la chuan x to the power 1 by 2 ti na ni he thil hi ama sabera chuan it's not an integer integer ni lo 1 2 3 ka ni lo tlat 1 by 2 ni tlat chu van hi not polynomial ni le ta ni dikhan hi algebra expression ni veka din va hian ma se polynomial ju he tiang hoi polynomial ania hi non polynomial ni ta ni dikhan polynomial chu a power kha negative ani thiang lova fraction negative ani thiang lova fraction ni po thiang chong lo kha tiang chi kha polynomial ka di chu kha tiang ni lo ho kha polynomial a chuan a power kha he x power amo y power kha positive anianga integer ni bok tur ni le dikhan du tak le taila chuan degree we'll go to degree of polynomial degree tiom je chu a power sang ber highest power khan ni mai for example x power 6 plus x power 4 minus 8 yom ta se a degree chu a power sang ber chu 6 tero ka 4 6 4 6 okay ti han degree chu du to le te la chuan polynomial kha chi rang rang kan then lenga a power zerin linear polynomial om ta ni linear polynomial chu a degree ka 1 tur ni example a chuan x plus 5 a power hi 1 ania chuan he linear kan ti ni then we have quadratic polynomial om le ta quadratic ve thung chu quadratic polynomial chu degree 2 entier nan x square plus x plus 3 de lo entela a power degree ka 2 nia chu ne de quadratic then we have cubic ve thunga chuan a degree ka pathum 3 ni example a chuan x cube plus 2x squared plus x plus 5 e tram hi pali kherom du dai lo he poi tho x cube plus 1 nó point ta se a degree ka pathum ani chu chuan ka cubic polynomial ni okay chuan a tram zir khan lo soi fiat te la we have monomial chu mono ti tang local hi nia mono chu pakhat tina ni chu one tram so example is x ti te comma example lang x cube ti te mo 5 ti rungot te heng hi monomial ani then we have binomial by ti chu patni tina nia so tram ni two terms example x plus 5 may patni to x square plus x tram ni ein kara plus emo minus emo x minus y yang the binomial ni le ta ni then we have trinomials try ti chu try pathum mo try o in to ka three terms in the nan x square plus x plus y emo x square minus 7 plus 2x and he trinomial in tani chuan thil confusing de pakhat omlet heya binomial ni om takalang monomial oni tlat si zo se le ko Intinan x plus 7 minus 2x. Hey, trinomial mo ultimate here. Mase ano lo? Asan jo hey 7 di la hey x le minus 2x ka in pai the build he tlat men x minus 2x transform minus 6 lo chota drop ni chau. Ka thiam tro de khan ein bel emo ein pai nuwa atopa tram no mo kha kha a tram a monomial emo a binomial emo a trinomial emo entire to chuni now coefficient kan zero la wang coefficient kan di chu ka a x emo y mo amo x square mo y square kami ma numeral o ma ka coefficient kan di ta chun ta ni entire 3x squared plus 7x minus 5 ka expression here polynomial hilom tani a question can find the coefficient of x squared that is 1 3 here answer to 3 coefficient of x that is 7 kan le me don tani ha bona tur kha omnem lo coefficient is 1 x emo y emo kami an numeral mami I mean x emo y mo ma numeral o makhani ikha atai pakhat chu lo du tok tai la tuna value of polynomial hi kan zero lo ka chuan zeros of polynomial kan zero bo nga I'll give you assignment. If you look at page 88, example 6. Question: can find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at number 1 x equal to minus 1, number 2 x equal to 2, number 3 x equal to 1 by 3 harmel den oma ole harlem lo ni he polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 he x equal to 1 minus 1 exact value dia kan song lo ni le number 1 how we do add x equal to minus 1 at yang then you write the expression 5x minus 4x squared plus 6 more. Oh, plus 3, sorry. Just erase it. And okay, 5 xi minus 1 is down. Minus 1 tau. 5 into minus 1 to minus 5 and minus 4 minus 1 here square to 1 to chuak minus 1 into minus 1 to 1 minus above minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 boy one more kaka number 1 ada to do talk tela now let's look at x equal to 2 again in letela 5 into minus 4 into 2 squared plus 3 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 2 squared to 4 plus 3 10 minus 4 4 is 16 plus 3 plus 10 and 3 plus 13 minus 16 minus 3 Kasi draw ang mabuhay to come low tingnan number 3 to x equal to 1 by 3 nang matibeto to ni then zeros of polynomial in look our roots the pod 3 ta okay and class 10 na kan na zero na sa do na tipo mo ta kani zeros of polynomial there sometimes there's a glitch, you know, in the programming, so remind it. Now, first we write down the definition. You copy it again. A zero of a polynomial is a number C such that P of C equals 0. Om je 0 of polynomial kan ti om je a polynomial value kan 0 a chua thai na x value kha a 0 chu ni. And then thil pa kan lo example let's look at this x here kan je enough P of x kha x square minus 5x plus 6 lo tuk ta ni x value hen e kan dang chuan chu ta tanga helang jong jong a 0 ron chok thei turin kha number ka ngai tu ta ni buan da china p of 1 di china p of x kan hen ya p of 1 ga di chuan x I hen 1 da vel tu ti da ni 1 squared minus 5 into 1 1 minus 5 plus 6 1 is 6 7 draw minus 5 equal to 2 0 chok lo so 1 ka chu 0 ni lo ti da ni 1 is not 0 of px ti me number 2 da chinang let's look at 2 p2 xi and 2 da 2 ti ta 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 2 square is 4 minus 5 2 is 10 plus 6 equal to 4 plus 6 at 10 at chuaka minus 10 0 chuakta kan du tak 0 chuakta then we can write hence true is 0 of px kha 0 ti om je chuin ta ne chuan ai tuna akan paklai sa pin trial and error man ka chut chota ne 0 kha 1 ta hen ei 1 ka da phota 0 chola 2 ka da 0 chota khatia ti lo kan rang ta ka chut choda kho mem rang ta ka chut choda je tiang hi ni antinan question khathi rong kal ta ne khamya 0 chut choda chu let's look. Find the equation wrong kalta. Find the zero of to them poka chok cholo high all kan song put of the polynomial bx equal to 2x plus 6. He a zero zong ro ta x value hi exact ngan yang zero chho the na tia ala li zo chhut mai to bx equal to 0 itianga implies 2x plus 6 and 0 tluk ti da means 2x equal to 6 is all about kanda phang minus 6 draw boilo x2 minus 6 2 khat boilo kalnga 2 x equal to minus 2 3 is 6 oh x equal to minus 3 ka 0 chuni and proof taila 0 chok chiang okay the ke chok na proof here on jot til kher ngai lo 2x plus 6 equal to 2x1 minus 3 to plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 but you draw 0 chok che chu wangin x equal to minus 3 ka 0 suin ta ne he le gan cho ton hu ko en le lok te la ne gan di kha x square minus 5x plus 6 kan cho ton hu kha ta trial and error mangin 2 ni 2 ka kan chu chok ta he ta khatia ti lo khan dar ga chu chu da no mem enang now the equation ka nge p of x equal to p horopte to p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 and the 0 kan chu chu don 2 kan chu chu don and te kan chu chuang p of x equal to 0 the pot anga chu chu na entire to x square minus 5x plus 6 kan 0 tuk ti na le plus 8 in 0 to interfere alai phel dar kha khami kan mang don le ta hian hetia equation expression hi phel dar dar chu te hin ta ne he le he punti rang 6 le x square coefficient 1 ya so I write product kan dekha ka mo 6 le tlai mi kha 6 alone sum om le welcome to alai mi kha minus 5 so what's the number 6 of factorization or 2 3 2 le 3 to 5 a chok 10 2 le 3 be 5 to chok ka ma se minus ania so the number is minus 2 minus 3 let's do it x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 itianga x square aya itianga minus 5x aya minus 2x le minus 3x minus 3x helai x ta ve to plus 6 hele hen common omem x a common draw x minus 2 ta hele da common 3 common a bracket x alabang minus into plus minus 3 and 6 avoid me 0 so tla common kaluna leta x minus 2 common a engela bang x minus 3 mina entir chu enge amalte dekhala don tiang x minus 2 kha 0 by hi solo maga da phedon right hand side at moya chu don chumina entir chu x minus 2 kha 0 ti dani chanjo 0 till divide to 0 chuak to pa elam en biang x minus 3 zo khala taila 0 by x minus 2 ni vele mai he solo ma phedon moya x minus 3 chu 0 ni vele chok zo he o x chu true he solo maga da phya 3 oh 2 le 3 ka 0 lo ni ve ti na ni chu kha daira ga paglai sab lo wa cho chwa da ni a 0 chu dan prove le 2 chu kan prove ta 3 prove ve le chin chim chim ang lo dik chiang lo kan equation ka se to kan expression ka x square minus 5x plus 6 ania kan p of x ka 3 a chuak ve 0 and chin lo bang p of 3 chu 3 squared minus 5 into 3 plus 6 9 minus 5 is a 15 plus 6 9 erase it 9 plus 6 tang 15 na chua ka minus 15 equal to 0 3 ka 0 lo ni ni ta kan mu chua ka kan proof le chia le ti khan exercise masa zok 7.1 le 7.2 ka in assignment ta kan da don ni chok thiam ve to eng ma thil har om lo re re